In this video, I will show you how to fix no sound issues on Black Shark Pad SE. First of all, try regulating your sound using volume up and down keys, and using the volume up key, max out your sound to the maximum level. Also, tap right here and make sure that you have the speaker icon selected and not anything else. Then tap this three-dot icon at the bottom and regulate your particular sound level. So, for example, if you want to increase the call sound, you're gonna have to volume up this leveler, and to max out any other sound level, of course, you have to do the same thing. Now, also, we want to make sure that our sound doesn't get rerouted to some Bluetooth device, so swipe down the control center and disable Bluetooth temporarily. And after that, let's go to settings. Let's scroll down to sound and vibration. Now, here we can see that everything is maxed out. And search for do not disturb mode. We usually can't find it here. Okay, I don't see it here. Okay, so check your do not disturb mode by swiping down the control center and find it right here. So make sure that do not disturb mode is switched off and your bedtime is also not active, as well as no other focus modes that can interfere with your sound. Now, here we can enable some additional sounds if this is what you're looking for, like dial pad tones, screen locking sound, tap and click sounds, and the rest of them. And if this isn't the solution you're looking for and you still have no sound on your device, then what you can do instead is scroll down to System. Then here in System, I recommend going to Reset Options and resetting your app preferences, like this. After that, your sound should return, and if it didn't, try restarting your tablet by holding down the power button and restarting it. Okay, and if none of this helped, then as a last resort you can perform a factory reset operation on your device, which you can do in the same reset settings we've been to earlier. But before you do that, make sure to back up all the important data you have on your tablet to an external SD card or to your PC or to the external cloud storage. Now, to perform the factory reset operation, you're gonna have to go to System on the sidebar. Then here you're gonna have to select Reset Options, and then go with Erase All Data for Factory Reset. Confirm your choice and enter your PIN code to confirm. After this, the factory reset operation will begin, and hopefully after the factory reset operation is finished, your sounds will return back to normal. But if not, you should definitely reach out to Xiaomi or Black Shark customer support service, notify them about this issue, and most probably you're gonna have to get your tablet repaired, because in such case it is most probably a hardware issue that requires a hardware solution. And that's it for this video. Thank you for watching it. If it helped you, please consider subscribing to our channel, leave us a like in the comment below, and I'll see you in the next one.